To resize pin content you made with Smart Select in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14. While you are viewing content you like to capture, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. And then tap Smart Select. Tap the pin to screen icon. If needed, you can adjust the selected area with your S Pen by dragging the edge of the selected area. And then tap pin or insert to pin the selected area. As a note, after updating your phone to Android 14, now you are provided with the ability to resize pin content you made with Smart Select. To do so, tap the pin content with your S Pen and then drag the edge of the pin content with your S Pen to resize it. Release your S Pen to stop resizing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.